To remove and install the battery on your General XP 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park. Turn the key switch to the off position and remove the key. Remove the driver's seat by pulling up on the seat latch and pivoting forward. Remove the battery access panel. Loosen the black negative battery cable fastener. Caution: the negative battery cable must be removed first to prevent arcing. Then loosen the red positive battery cable fastener. Loosen the battery hold-down bracket fastener. Slide the battery and bracket toward the driver's side of the vehicle and remove the bracket. Then remove the battery. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged. Caution: using a battery that has not been fully charged can damage the battery, hinder vehicle performance, and result in a shorter life. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of the owner's manual before installing the battery. Ensure the battery is clean and free of debris. Refer to the battery maintenance video on the Help Center website for proper cleaning and maintenance techniques. Reinstall the battery. Install the battery hold-down bracket and torque the fastener to specification. Install the positive cable first to prevent arcing. Torque to specification. Install the negative cable. Torque to specification. Coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Reinstall the positive cable protector boot. Turn the key on and verify the battery has been connected properly. Tip: when the battery is disconnected, the vehicle clock may need to be reset. Reinstall the battery access panel. Reinstall the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down on the rear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.